How does a hacker break into a website they have never seen before? The answer might surprise you. It is not one magic trick. It is a clear, step-by-step method. And today, we walk through all 6 steps so you understand exactly how it happens. Step 1. Recon. The hacker gathers every public detail about the target before touching it. Subdomains, the technology it runs, the names of the people behind it. Think of it like reading the outside of a building before you try any door. You look at the sign, the windows, the delivery entrances. No breaking in yet. Just quiet watching and taking notes on anything that looks useful. Step 2. Scanning. Now the hacker reaches out and probes the target to find the open doors. Which ports are open, which services are running, and which versions of those services. It is like walking the whole building and checking every door, every window, every service hatch. Some are locked, some are open. The open ones get marked for later. Step 3. Enumeration. This is where the hacker digs deeper, inside each open service. Hidden folders, backup files left behind, admin panels, and default passwords that were never changed. Every forgotten corner becomes a clue. The more the hacker lists, the more they understand how the target is built and where it might be weak. Step 4. Map the attack surface. The hacker writes down everything they found and matches each version of each service against known weaknesses. It is like having a full list of doors and a list of which locks are cheap and easy to pick. This is the moment the real target appears. Not a website, but a set of specific weak points. Step 5. Find the bug. Now the hacker tests the weak spots with payloads. They poke an input field with special text or send a weird request and watch how the system reacts. It is like trying different keys on a weak lock until one slips in. When the system breaks in an unexpected way, they have found their vulnerability. Step 6. Exploit. The hacker chains that small crack into real access. One tiny bug becomes a foot in the door, then a path to more. A login bypass here, a hidden command there. The whole journey from Recon to here finally pays off, and the target is compromised. Now, the most important part. Only test systems that you own or that you have written permission to test. Hacking without permission is a crime, with serious consequences. The very same skills that find these weaknesses are the ones that defend against them. Learn them to build and protect, never to break. So the method is simple. Recon, scan, enumerate, map, find, exploit. 6 clear steps, from a completely unknown website to a fully mapped target with a real weakness. That is how hackers find vulnerabilities, step by step. If you want to learn ethical hacking, hit that subscribe button.